Wait till you see this great master bathroom. We totally transformed her space. Wait till you see what we did. Before, this customer had a 8-foot by 2-foot closet, and on the end of that closet space they had a 24-inch door entering into a 54-inch wide bathroom that had very small room, not a lot of access. We ended up moving the closet. We expanded the bathroom wider so we could put a bigger vanity in. We widened the width of the shower. We ended up having to relocate some major plumbing and flipped all the water fixtures, the toilet and the vanity on the opposite wall to make this space look really amazing. So this shower had a 6-inch wall right here, which had the stack, and we relocated the stack to the back wall and pulled that wall out. That way we actually got a deeper niche in the back. And this customer chose a beautiful Voss brushed nickel fixture with the Moen versatile head, which also gives you a ring style head that's adjustable and a handheld very economically. We also added a frameless hinged door with brushed nickel trims and hardware and handle. The thing with the shower was 48 by 32, now it's 54 by 36. So we widened the shower. We also added a beautiful Dreamline, a low threshold, non-slip shower base. This customer's toilet was on the other side of this window here, and then we flipped it over here because the vanity was so close there wasn't a lot of room. This gives them an additional like 2 feet of clearance between the shower and the toilet. And the vanity, she chose a countryside penning door front with slab drawer fronts. This customer chose a beautiful Glendale satin nickel door hardware for her doors and drawers, which really accent the color on the fixtures from the Moen Voss. Cambria countertop with beautiful Voss single handle faucets with a nice medicine cabinet. She also chose this beautiful Voss light fixture, which actually lights up the space nicely. So this is the new MSI LVT Prescott Blythe color that this customer chose to really finish off this bathroom remodel. We floated this in the bathroom, the closet, and the master bedroom. We also upgraded the exhaust fan light to an LED exhaust that's vented exterior and rated for the new size of the space. So overall, the customer was totally satisfied with the new added and additional space, the extra access they can actually get through into their bathroom, and with the beautiful new finishes, this bathroom will last them a long time. So for any project, big or small, give us a call.